I'm Ashley.
I'm Adam.
And we're the family behind the family
business at KBF Design Gallery.
We know that remodeling your home can be a daunting task. So at KBF, we strive to make the process an easy and even enjoyable experience from your first consultation with us to the final installation.
Your complimentary consultation can take place in our showroom, in your home, or virtually.
Some of the topics that we'll cover during our initial meeting with you are what's motivating you to remodel,
what do you like and dislike about your current home,
and how you would like your newly remodeled rooms to look and function.
We can evaluate your current space and discuss project parameters as well as realistic investment ranges.
We'll also explain KBF's turnkey approach to remodeling and answer any questions you have while exploring the exciting ideas you have for your home.
Once you're comfortable that we understand your remodeling goals and that KBF is a good fit for you and your project, we'll move forward into the design stage.
The design team at KBF will use our vision and experience to custom tailor a design that's creative, unique, and personal to you and your home.
We'll bring your space to life with a floor plan and finishes presented to you in both 2- and 3-dimensional renderings, allowing you to see your design and make informed decisions during this process.
The culmination of the design process is your review and approval of all contract documents, plans, specifications, selections, and the remodeling agreement.
Once the design for your remodel is approved and finalized, we order all the materials and products to create your new space.
Our experienced team calculates appropriate quantities for all materials, accepts the delivery of those materials at our warehouse, and inspects everything for quality and accuracy.
We know that there are plenty of remodeling nightmares of companies starting projects before they have the materials to finish it. This is why, at KBF, we will not schedule a start date unless product is in hand.
Our installers collect the materials from our warehouse and bring them to your home for installation.
Our field supervisor leads a crew of skilled installers for each phase of the project, and our project managers and installers are the best in the business.
The experience of the KBF team and the process we have established assures that your project will run as smoothly as possible.
And that you and your home are well cared for during the renovation.
KBF's goal is to exceed your expectations of the entire remodeling process, from our initial meeting to the final walkthrough of your newly renovated home.
There's nothing more satisfying than witnessing you delight and seeing your dream home brought to life.
Close to 50% of our business comes from repeat clients and their referrals, and we feel there's no greater testimony to the level of commitment the KBF team provides to our clients and to our work.
Our goal for your remodel, no matter how big or small, is to provide a quality service and workmanship that will result in a space that you and your family enjoy for years to come.